We are back in Barcelona and we are checking out this Asian fusion food sip and bites. This is just right beside our hostel. And Filipino yung may-ari niya. Ang daming mga Pinoy actually na nandito sa restaurant na to while we were here. And as you can see, it's different Filipino food and masarap talaga yung mga pagkain nila. Ayan. And ang sarap ng ice cream. Everything was good in this restaurant. So if you're ever in Barcelona, you should check them out. Video to ba? And here's what we ordered. This is their longanisa and their tocino, if I remember correctly. Tapos we also had lechon kawali na sobrang sarap. Best food. Ay,
Todo eso son tu pero? ¡Wow! ¡Qué mucho!
and now we are on our way to Park Güell, and this is on our way to Park Güell. Sobrang layo ng nilakad namin and sobrang taas niya. As in, we had to climb that siguro for mga about 10 to 15 minutes. Sobrang taas nung nilakad namin ni Mama and we were so tired. Tapos ayan, nakarating na kami ngayon sa Park Güell. It was really nice. Pero sobrang laki ng place. So if you plan to go here, make sure you have good walking shoes or sandals and have lots of water. And then go siguro very early in the morning para hindi masyadong mainit. This park is really beautiful, very unique, weird architecture all over the place. Nakalimutan ko kung sino yung nag-construct nito, but very famous siya sa Spain. Sobrang nice ng lugar. Ayan, as you can see, yan may mga pillars na sobrang ganda ng ceiling made of, I think, tiles, if I can remember correctly. Ayan siya. And sobrang dami ng tao. Pero hindi naman siya masikip. It's just that minsan, ang hirap lang kumuha ng magandang picture since maraming tao. But still worth the visit.
Daming tao.
This vacation for me is really very important because this is just really the first time that my mom and I went on a long vacation na kaming dalawa lang. And I'm super happy also because treat ko sa mom ko itong buong vacation na to. Um, well, treat din ng dad ko kasi nag-vacation din siya sa amin ng pocket money. But it's just really, ako kasi yung panganay and then I have two more younger brothers. Tapos ako lang yung only girl ng mom ko. So having this time with my mom was really something special for me, for her, na talagang bonding time namin. Hindi kami nag-away, we just really enjoyed each other's company. And that's something that I'm, of course, going to treasure forever. Kaya I'm very happy na we're able to do this together. Kaya pa niyang mag-walk. She's very active. She loves to travel also. So having this time with her is something that I will treasure forever. This one's for you, Ma. I love you so much. And I really hope you enjoyed our vacation. Till the next time. Ang napansin ko din dito sa Spain, wala kang makikitang mga stray dogs or cats. Puro mga birds. Imbes na yung pinapakain mo ay mga stray dogs or cats, puro mga stray birds. Stray birds. Ang cute-cute din ng ibon na to, binidyohan ko siya kasi ewan ko, pagod na ata siya. Pagod na siyang kakaikot dito sa park na to. So, ayun, mamamahinga siya. First time ko makakita ng ibon na nakahiga sa floor at matutulog. Kaya sabi ko, I'm a video this. Hindi ako gumagalaw dyan. O, diba? Ayan, and then we visited yung museum ng Park Güell. Tapos siya yung, my God, I keep forgetting his name. Siya yung architect niyan. Siya yung nag-design ng buong Park Güell. Tsaka yung next namin na pupuntahan, which is yung Casa Batlló. As such an amazing artist. Now, here we are at Casa Batlló.
Pagod na siya gumawa ng architect. Saya naman ang night visit. Bata. Now, this part of the tour in Casa Batlló is sobrang na-enjoy ko kasi yung walls niya at saka yung ceiling niya, ayan, makikita niyo parang may orange and ganyan. Sobrang parang pinag-isipan niya na mabuti na magiging sobrang ganyan yung texture. Nakalimutan ko kung ano yung tawag nila dyan. But basically, itong buong Casa Batlló was designed by, I keep forgetting yung guy na nag-design nito. Dito ka.
Pero iniisip niya na parang ang theme niya dito is mga water, parang underwater. So, very organic yung mga shape, ganyan. We got the ticket na silver. I think I got it from Klook. And then, hindi naman, okay lang naman, very maayos yung linya nila dito. So, yung waiting time mo, kung anong oras mo binili yung ticket, ganong oras kang makakapasok. And then, ayan, meron drinks. Kasama din yun sa tour. And then, meron kang translator. Yan yung kinuha namin, yung merong parang iPad na may tinatranslate na yung experience na ito sa Amazon. Hindi yun na-enjoy ko dito sa tour na ito. Kasi yung iPad, very interactive siya. Kunyari, itatapat mo lang siya doon sa kung nasan ka ng area. Tapos papakita na sa'yo, kasi explain na sa'yo what it is about, ganyan. So, very easy lang. I got this in itong ticket na gusto ko. So, a week before kami naglalong and it's super convenient. Kaya check nyo na lang sa Klook yung mga tickets when you are in or when you're planning your trip to Barcelona. Kasi pag dyan kayo bumili mismo sa Casa Batlló, mahaba yung pila. So, very convenient na nasa Klook na and then they'll just scan. Ayan. So, ay makita mo ang ganda. Very interactive ng buong tour niya. Tapos, punta ka lang ng punta sa sa kwarto, sa each room of the house. Pero nakakapagod lang siya kasi ang taas-taas niya. Parang ewan ko 8 floors ata siya or something. But the whole place, ayan, makita nyo, yung architect just really loves to play with light and the organic forms, if I can say it. Ayan, tas yan yung parang sculpture ng Casa Batlleo. Ganyan siya. So I think, ewan ko, 5, 6, 7 or 8 floors if I'm not mistaken. Ganyan siya. Very, parang skull yung itsura niya sa labas. Pero it's really underwater yung theme. So may mga shells na theme, may basta iba-ibang klase. Ayan, pas puro waterfalls. Ayan, makikita nyo sa next video yung parang waterfalls niya. The whole experience of Park Güell and Casa Batlleo was really amazing. We enjoyed it, me and my mom. Pero talagang for the walk lang talaga the whole time. So ayan, ito naman yung video na sumasabay yung light dun sa music. So super nice. Hindi namin mamaya. Parang inside a shell tayo.
Tapos lapit ka rin sa akin. Yeah.
Okay na. Sayang lang alam namin na muna walang tao. Kasi marami rin kami kasabay. And then ito naman yung mga chains. Yan. This is the chains. So yeah, the whole experience was very tiring. At least parang naka 20,000 steps ata kami the whole time. The whole day. Isang day lang namin ginawa yan. Morning kami dun sa Park Güell. Tapos gabi kami dito sa Casa Batlleo. You can try out yung night visit ng Casa Batlleo. Parang mas maganda siya kaysa sa day. And then if you can get yung full experience, mas okay din. It was just really expensive. I think nakuha ko na ng 14 euros if I'm not mistaken. Ang tagal na kasi.
Parang fish scales.
Yon, fish scales nga yung feel niyan. And then, dito na tayo sa immersion. Enjoy this immersion dahil nahilo ako dito, my gosh.
Hey, nahilo ko.
Parang bumagal ko.
If you enjoyed that video, I hope you like and subscribe this video and subscribe to my channel for more vlog contents like this.